Hi there, hi guys. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Friday, yes, Friday, March the 4th, 2022, the first Friday of the month. We have always a speed test. Yeah, we have a speed test. And what I will do is the speed test for the light Sudoku, but also for the heavy Sudoku. So we have two regular Sudokus, the heavy and the light. But in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. With 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this light Sudoku, and this will be number 4210. 36 printed digits. All right, speed test. Let's get started. One. 1. And then we have a 2, 3. 3, 3, 9, 9, 8, 7, 7. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 and the 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. The 2, I believe, 1 and 4 and the 8. 8. That should be a 6, 7 and a 2. 2 and the 1, 2 and 1, 2. Come on. 2 and the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How about here the 8? 8 and the 2. Oh yeah, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 6. 6. Here we have a 2 and 7. 7. 2. 3 minutes. Minus 1 minute with the talking. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. All right. Please with the time in 3 minutes. And before I leave, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes. Before I leave, I want to know those numbers because I'm collecting them. Nope, collecting them. Yes. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here the 631, 631, 962, 962, 823, 823. Here we have the 2 as a pair, the 6 as a pair, and the 3 as a pair. 3 pairs. All right. Great. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the heavy Sudoku. Also a speed test. See you then. Bye bye for now.